Good morning, students. This is the third video in this chapter, that is Introduction to Algebra. So today we are going to learn some new concept. So let us see. The first concept is substitution. So what is substitution? Substitution means replacement. If some variable values are given, variable means the unknown quantities, the values are given, then how we put this value inside the expression or algebraic expression. Let's see. So for the first question is a plus b. Here the value of a is given as 4 and the value of b is given 2. So if the value of a is 4 and b value is 2, then what is a plus b? Let's see. So in place of a, put the value of 4 and in place of b, put the value of 2. So what the answer? 4 plus 2 is 6. So a plus b is got 6. Next question. So in this algebraic expression it is given that 5a minus 2b upon 4ab minus 8. So here in place of a, put the value. So 5a means 5 into a. So is 4 minus 2 into b. 2b means 2 into b, that is given 2 upon 4 into a is 4 into b is 2 minus 8. So what is the answer? 5 4 is 20 minus 2 2 is 4 upon 4 4 is 16, 2 is 32, 32 minus 8. Okay. So 20 upon 20 minus 4 is 16 and 32 minus 8 is 24. Okay. 16 upon 24. Now this 16 upon 24 can be further minimized into, how we can minimize? By taking the HCF. So what is the HCF of 16 and 24? Definitely that is, let's see, 16, 24 HCF. So it is divisible in 2. So 2 8 is 16 and 2 12 is again it is 2, 2 4 is then 2 6 is again 2, 2 2 is and 2 3 is. So what is the HCF? This part is the HCF. 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 8 is the HCF of 16 and 24. Divide this both numerator and denominator, you get the lowest term. So 8 2 is 16 and 8 3 is 24. So what you got? 2 is to 3. 2 divided by 2 upon 3. So that is the solution of this algebraic expression. Now let's see the third question, that is given a plus 5b. Here in place of we write 4 plus 5b means 5 into 2. So we got the 4 plus 5 to the 10. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. Now come to see this next question, that is find the value if here b value and c value and x value are given. B, C, x value are given. But to find out the following algebraic expression. So let's find out. So here it is written x into 2b plus c minus 3. So equal to, in place of x write 2 into 2 into b. B is how much? 6 plus c. C is 4 minus 3. So according to the Brodmann's rule, first we solve the inside bracket. So 2 into 2 6 is how much? That is 12 plus 4 minus 3. That is equal to 2 into 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 minus 3 is 13. So 2 into 13 is how much? 26. So 26 is the solution of this algebraic expression. Okay. Now look at question number 1 from the exercise 7b. So in question 1 say that if n value is 2, if n value is 3, if n value is 0, if n value is 1, then we have to solve 3n upon 4. There are many questions are there. I am solving one of the questions from question 1. That question 1 is 3n upon 4. Here we have to put the n value, that is 4 different n values are given. According to the 4 different values, the answer will come. Okay, let's see. So if n equal to 2, let's see the first condition, that is n equal to 2. When n equal to 2, then 3 into n, that is 2 upon 4, that is 6 upon 4, and it can be further minimized What is the SE of 6 and 4? That is 2. So 2 3 are 6 and 2 2 are 4. That is 3 upon 2. Okay. So 3 upon 2 is the solution of 3n by 4 when n value is 2. Now look at this condition when n value is 3. When n value is 3, then 3 into 3 upon 4, that is 9 upon 4. And 9 upon 4 cannot be further minimized because this is the lowest term, already lowest term, and there is no common SCM except 1. So 9 upon 4 is the lowest term of 3n by 4. Now see the third condition, that is when n equal to 0. When n equal to 0 means 3 into 0 upon 4. Definitely the answer will come 0. Now look at the fourth condition. When 3n by 4 and when n equal to 1. So put the value of 1 in place of n, you will get 3 into 1, 3 upon 4. Okay. So here we got the 4 different values according to the value of n. Okay. Now look at the question number 2. In question number 2 we say that again the same substitution method will apply. So a value is 6 and x value is 2 here. So put the value of a and x in place of these algebraic expressions. So here 2 into a into x. So what is a value? That is 6. And what is x value? That is 2 plus 7 into x. What is x here? 2 minus 10. Okay. Upon 4ax, that is 4 into 6 into x is 2 plus and minus here minus 3a, that is 6 minus 2. So now simplify this algebraic expression. Already the values are put and the substitution method applied. So simplify it. 2 6 are 12 to the 24 plus 7 to the 14 minus 10 upon 4 6 are 6 to 12 for the 48. 48 minus 3 6 are 18 minus 2. So simplify it. 24 plus 14 how much? That is 38 minus 10 upon 48 minus 18. That will be 30. 30 minus 2 and 38 minus 10. That will be 28 upon 28. So you got 28 or 28. So what the answer will come? Yes, that is 1. Because 28 to cancel, that will be 1. So simplification of or substitution method applied in this algebraic expression, we got the value of 1. Okay. Now students, we are going to solve question number 4. Question number 4 say that evaluate. What to evaluate? The following expression using the values p, q, r value are given, and this expression is 12p into q minus r. So here put the value of this p, q, r. First term is 12p. So 12p means 12 into p. P value is 1. Put the value of 1. Then into bracket q minus r. That is q value is 4 and minus r. So that is r is minus 2. So minus of minus 2, then bracket close, equal to 12 into 1 is 12. So inside bracket 4 minus of minus, I already told what minus of minus will be plus. So 4 plus 2, that is equal to 12 into 4 plus 2 is how much? That is 6. So 12 6 are 72. 72. Okay. Now look at this question number 5. Here the value of m and n are given and the expression is 8 into m plus n minus mn. Mn means m into n. So write, simplify it. 8 into m value is 2 plus n value is 5 minus m into n. What is n? That is 2. What is n? That is 5. Equal to simplify it. 8 into 2 plus 5, that is 7. 8 into 7 minus 2 5 are 10. So 56 minus 10, that will be 46. After simplification we got 46. Okay.